Okay, the slider grip. I'm going to start out with a 4-seam fastball, fingertip pressure, just like I would a normal fastball. And then all I really want to do, I just want to slide these two fingers. Keep my hand here. Slide these two fingers over to the horseshoe on this side of the ball. And when I get to here, now the back of my hand, you can see when I take the ball out, my fingertips are headed right there. I just have to throw the ball, and again, let it come off my two fingers, and automatically that ball is going to slide because I preset the grip and I created the angle right here. It's ready. And really all I'm going to do is throw a fastball low and away with fingertip pressure here, and especially the middle finger. You can see it there. It's trying to pull, and at the end, I'm just going to take that middle finger and I'm going to dip it down, and it's going to create that short, tight spin here. The best thing I like doing on this pitch is angle it over and really just start out by throwing a fastball away, which will appear a little bit more like a cutter. But you want to see the ball slide over, but you can see I'm already off-centered. And if I take my two fingers there, it's really a simple pitch, and it's one reason you see a lot of people throwing it, because you can command it. It's a 4 to 6 inch break. We're not looking for a big one, we're looking for a small one. And then what you're hoping for, it's going to change planes. And how's it going to change planes? The middle finger, when it gets over the top, it's going to drive down just that little bit. So instead of staying flat, it's going to go down at the end. Let me show it front view. Again, 4-seam fastball. I'm going to slide the fingers over to the horseshoe. And when I take the ball, I can really see I've got it all preset now. This one's ready to go where? Right there. It's ready to just throw a fastball there. So I put the ball in again. I'm in the horseshoe. You can see the horseshoe there. I'm over in the corner. Okay? Now, I'm going to try to stay behind the ball. And again, I'm going to throw a fastball. And way out here at the end, I'm already off-centered. Well, automatically, I'm going to create the spin right here. It's got to go that way if I get to here. Now, there would just be a cutter. Now, I want to get a little bit more dip on it. Well, now when I get to here, the ball, I'm going to pull it down. And we're going to pull down on the finger. If I pull down, it's going to be the slider. If I stay just through it, it's going to be a cutter. And I want to get the ball to slide over. But the key is I want to make it look like a fastball out of my hand. And one thing for young people, they always worry about the slider. If you go around it, yes, you're going to put a lot of pressure on the elbow, especially the harder you throw. So we really got to drive through the slider. And now my elbow does not start twisting. And that's where the people get on the ball and they start doing this with the slider. They'll get to break more, but they're putting way too much pressure on the inside of their elbow. So now so I want to go through the ball, get it out here, and out here create the dip at the very end on the ball.